straff. Ausgeklinkt, Dankeschön. So today we will just try the next one, a 900 kilometer or 909 kilometer triangle, but unfortunately the conditions are not as perfect as last time. Cloud base is low. We will see what we can do. It's quite a lot of moisture in here as well. I don't know if there are already a lot of thermals, but it looks like there should be something. But we are flying slow in the beginning. So here is just a little bit of a thermal, but not really good thermal to circle. But we are coming here into the better area, in the better terrain, so let's hope that we can still climb there. But now we are 590 meters above ground level. We're not too high anymore. Just incredible how good the LS3 climbs and how you can use all these small and weak thermals. I'm not really sure if I can make it today because the cloud base is not so high. I was once at 2000 meters. Climb rates are also not really great. If you have 2 meters on average, then it's really good. Average speed is now 99 kilometers on the task, and I'm here at the first turn point. 12 kilometers to go, but here you can see that there are some queues on my way. And the same as in a competition, it would be good to thermal now before the turn because the wind is pushing me to the turn point. But if there's nothing good, then I can't thermal. Not completely sure about this one. There's someone thermaling and it's just wrong direction. Perfect. Whoa, what's going on here? It's like a competition. But I'm not aware of any competition here in this area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gliders. But it should just fly to this cloud and then fly this way. Average speed 100. That's what I thought it should be minimum for the first leg, so yeah. We're here at Sinsheim, and the area behind us, this was not so good, but it worked out, and below there is another glider. And directly the airfield of Sinsheim. That's a good thermal with 3-point-something meters per second. Finally, the first street of today. It's not directly at the course, but it really helps, and I hope that it will accelerate us a little bit. Average speed up to now nearly 97. We need about 100, 103, but that's still possible. So let's hope for some better conditions, especially some lines, because otherwise it's really hard with this. Finally, we are here at the second turn point. It was really a long leg, nearly 100 kilometers an hour average speed. The weather conditions, yeah, they improve here somehow. I thought it would be more tricky here, but it looks good now. To the right hand side, it's just developing there, I think. And yeah, ahead of us we have the turn point, so we will fly to this nice cumulus cloud and thermal there. Yeah, that's it. So still in the race, but it is quite difficult to get back home in time. I will try my best. And the cloud base here is really low. I think it's about 1600, 1700 meters. For a good day in Germany, that's really not a lot. Best would be to thermal in the sector, not before. And on to the next one. I have really no time to waste. There in the southern side there, it looks like there's a little bit of a spread out.
floating away, and my thoughts will turn to questions now of the paths we take. Is the one you took a better road when you walked away?
Now it's getting very interesting because here at the third turn point there we have blue thermals, or at least here is a blue hill. Average speed 104 kilometers an hour, which is okay. Yeah, the question is where we will find the next lift. This small wispy just popped up here in my area, so lucky. I hope that I will find their lift. It's not really good. Perhaps it's getting better. The wispy disappeared, but I think it was more in this direction, into the wind. So as you can see here on the map, I am currently flying a lot of detour here to the eastern side, but there are some clouds and the wind is then pushing me to the turn point, and after the turn point there's the area where it's not so good for thermals. So I will try to get up here. It takes some more time now because of the detour, but it is a safer option, and I think I'm within the time window, and yeah, I don't want to land here somewhere in calm or so. Even here I'm quite low to connect to the cloud. The wind is quite strong with 20 kilometers an hour from the left hand side here, this direction. Yeah, so I then will follow the ridge, which is parallel to the wind, and hope to get somewhere here nice thermal up to 2,500 meters or so. Should be quite high. Then make the turn point. Yes! One of the last thermals here, but in the last thermal I tried to to clean my wings, and here the BUGWIPER sitting there and it's not moving anymore. I don't know what's going on. I will try a little bit to solve the issue when I'm up here, but at the end it would be possible to also make the final glide with this one here out on the wing. Small handicap factor. It's a 2.0 thermal, which is awesome at this time. We have 6:38. Yeah, still a very good time window to finish the task. Would be fun to make a 100 kilometer average. but should be possible. Average 101 kilometers an hour, and we will arrive in 300 meters. So it is quite safe now. 13 kilometers left. Awesome. But I was not able to fix this issue here. I will have a look on the ground what's going on here. And for the 1000 kilometers, I think today it's just not the day anymore. The clouds, there are some clouds, some wispies left, but with this issue, and I also want to finish here with speed, so I didn't want to thermal now with 1 meter or so for half an hour. That's why I will finish the task, and then most likely I will land and call it a day. Task finished! You! I made it!